transistor biasing, and there are two topics, that is DC load line and AC load line. We will like to discuss about the AC and DC load line. So first is, what is biasing? The question is, what is biasing? Biasing क्या होता है? ठीक है, कोई बताएगा what is biasing? बायसिंग क्या होता है? in order to fix the operating point Q in active region, है ना? In active region, there is need of specific value, है ना? Specific value of component, specific value of component. These values of current and voltage, are expressed in terms of operating point, operating point, and the circuit required is known as required is called biasing. ठीक है, तो ट्रांजिस्टर बायसिंग का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या हो गया कि क्यू पॉइंट, ऑपरेटिंग पॉइंट फिक्स रहे एक्टिव रीजन, ठीक है, ऑपरेटिंग पॉइंट फिक्स रहे एक्टिव रीजन में. नाउ द सेकेंड इज टाइप ऑफ बायसिंग. Type of biasing, first है, that is used in most of the cases, are voltage divider bias circuit. Voltage divider bias circuit. Second is fixed bias. Third one is collector base bias, and fourth is emitter base bias. So there are four type of the bias circuit, and we will like to study in detail voltage divider bias circuit. Voltage divider bias circuit. Voltage divider bias circuit, it is based on the simple concept of electrical circuit. सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट क्या है? सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट, जैसे मान लीजिए एक ये रेजिस्टेंस है और ये दूसरा रेजिस्टेंस है और ये तीसरा रेजिस्टेंस है, तीन रेजिस्टेंस है, और ये तीन रेजिस्टेंस को एक ईएमएफ बैटरी से जोड़ दिया गया और यहां पर एक की हो गया. दिस इज योर की. दिस रेजिस्टेंस इज R1, this is R2, this is R3, and say this is 20 volt. This is 20 volt. ये 20 वोल्ट का सर्किट हो गया V. Now my objective is find the voltage at these point, say V1 and V2. V1 V2 के across voltage प्राप्त करना है. What will be the voltage? You see in this circuit, if this is the cell, then current is flowing in this way. The current is flowing in this way. Suppose I amount of current is flow in the circuit. तो क्या हो जाएगा? फॉर्मूला current I is equal to V upon R. R total. R total का मतलब हो गया कि V upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. ये वोल्टेज का होगा. और V1 वोल्टेज V1 निकालना हो तो what is V1? V1 is R1 into I. और V2 is R2 into I. ये दो वोल्टेज हो जाएगा इस सर्किट में. अब इस वोल्टेज का जो मान होगा, वैल्यू, सपोज R1 is equal to 10 kilo ohm, R2 is equal to 15 kilo ohm, and R3 is equal to 5 kilo ohm. ये तीन रेजिस्टेंस है. तो R टोटल क्या होगा? दिस इज R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is 10 kilo plus 15 kilo plus 5 kilo. So this is your 30 kilo ohm resistance. So current in the circuit, I is equal to V by R. V is 20 volt and resistance is 30 kilo ohm. So this is 2 by 3, that is 0.67 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Minus 3 ampere. This will be the current. Or we can say 0.67 milliampere. 0.67 milliampere. This is the current. Now voltage. V1 is equal to R1I. V1 is equal to R1I. So R1 is 10 kilo ohm into I, 2 by 3 kilo ohm, 2 volt. So this kilo cancel. This is 20 by 3. This is 6.67 volt R1. So V2 is equal to R1 plus R2 I. R1 is 10, R2 is 15 kilo ohm into current 2 by 3 K. So this K cancel. This is 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 into 2 is 50. 50 by 3. So it is 1.667 volt. So answer is V1 is 6.67 volt and V2 is 16.67 volt. So what we find? We find by the application of these resistances in the circuit with this key resistance. Suppose this one is a V1, this is the V is 20 volt, and here it is the resistance R1, R2, R3. So the voltage at this point is 6.67 volt and voltage at this point is 16.67 volt. So this voltage, that is analysis is, what is analysis? This voltage 20 volt is divided in two parts, 6.67 volt and this is 16.67 volt. It means there is a divider. It means there is a divider of voltage. Divider of voltage means voltage divider. So these are the way to divide the voltage. And this technique, this simple technique is used in case of transistor as well. Let us consider one circuit of a transistor in which we apply the potential divider circuit and then find out the various value of the different components in the case. So for this, potential divider circuit. So the circuit is something like this. Suppose this is a transistor. Here it is collector. This is your base and this terminal is emitter. This is NPN transistor having the current gain is 125. This current gain is 125. This collector is connected with the resistance RC, and this RC is about 10 kilo ohm. And it is connected as power supply VCC of 20 volt. And this VCC is also connected. ये एक resistance लग गया यहाँ पे R1, and this R1 resistance is 39 kilo ohm. And it is connected by another resistance R2, 3.9 kilo ohm. And here it is the resistance. And this is 1.5 kilo ohm. This is 1.5 kilo ohm. And this value is VBE. And this VBE base emitter voltage is 0.7 volt. 0.7 volt. So, question, what is the question? Find out the potential. Find out the potential on base. बेस के ऊपर क्या पोटेंशियल होगा ये हमें निकालना है. So we find, you see, this one is something like this 22 volt BCC. ये 22 वोल्ट BCC जो है वो ये दो रेजिस्टेंस के रिस्पेक्ट में डिवाइड हो रहा है. This is positive terminal and here it is ground. Solution. The applied potential, V CC is 22 volt applied the current flow in the circuit. The current flow, this is the way to current flow. In this way, the current flow is VCC upon R1 plus R2. This is the VCC, ये VCC वोल्ट और ये दो रेजिस्टेंस है, एक R1 रेजिस्टेंस है और एक R2 रेजिस्टेंस, and then it is ground. Then it is ground. So the voltage, base voltage. So how much this value is? This is 22 volt and this is 39 kilo ohm plus 3.9 kilo ohm. This one is. So the base voltage is VB, and this VB is equal to I into R2. I into R2. R2 is this voltage. So this value is 22 volt into R2 is 3.9 kilo ohm divided by 39 kilo ohm plus 3.9 kilo ohm. This one is. So this kilo cancel, and this is 22 into 3.9 divided by this is 42.9, that is 43. So this value is 2 volt. This value is 2 volt. Now the base voltage VB is equal to 2 volt, which is greater than 0.7 volt, and that's why base emitter junction is forward bias. This is forward bias. So emitter voltage, the emitter voltage is VE is equal to VB minus VBE. That is 2 volt minus 0.7 volt. So this is 1.3 volt. So VE is 1.3 volt. This is your voltage. So what we find here, it is 22 volt apply. At this point, there is 2 volt. This point, there is a 2 volt. And at this point, there is a 1.3 volt. At this point, there is a 1.3 volt. So base voltage or emitter voltage is here. Now we can also find the load line, that is the load line is as the load line is, what is the load line? We see this is the VCE, and here it is IC, और ये आपका हो गया IB. This is your IB is equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Something like this IB. This is also not equal to 0. So as by using KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law, we find VCC is ICRC plus VCE plus IERE. That is current flow across the emitter. So this is IC into RC plus RE plus VCE. Why? Because IC is equal to IE in milliampere order. This is VCC. This is, sorry. So for Q point, let X is equal to 0, that is X is equal to 0, that is IC is equal to 0, VCC is equal to VCE. VCE, that is 22 volt. That is 22 volt. So this coordinate x is equal to 0, VC is 0. Yes. VC is 0. So IC is equal to VCC upon RC plus RE. RC plus RE. This is 22 volt. And here it is 10 kilo plus 1.5 kilo. So how much it is? This is 22 volt divided by 11.5 volt, 5 kilo ohm. So this is 22 upon 11, you can say approximately 2 milliampere. So point on y-axis. Why it is y-axis? Because at y-axis x is equal to 0. The point is 0 and this is 2 milliampere. Y-axis point. This point is 0 and 2 milliampere. Point on x-axis. Point on x-axis. Y is equal to 0. That is IC is equal to 0. That is VCC from this equation. IC 0, if IC is equal to 0, so VCC is 0 into RC plus RE plus VCE. So this VCE is equal to 22 volt and point is X0, that is VCC 0, that is 22 0. So suppose this point is somewhere 22 volt and 0. So by joining these lines, say this point is A, this point is B. The line joining points A and B is known as load line. Known as load line. And this point is Q point. This point is Q point. So this is your solution. This is your solution. Solution of this question. And this question is solved. ये क्वेश्चन किसके आधार पे सॉल्व किया गया है? ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया गया पोटेंशियल डिवाइडर सर्किट के आधार पर, and that is the potential divider circuit. It is used in case of the common emitter configuration of this part. है ना?